Dear listeners, welcome back. Today, we are talking about a strange trend. People online are acting like it is 2016. They are sharing old memes, old songs, and old apps. The vocabulary in this video is clear and simple. You will hear important words repeated many times. This helps you remember them naturally. Let's begin.
Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you open your phone. You see a Snapchat dog filter selfie. You hear the song Stressed Out by 21 Pilots. Someone is playing Pokemon Go in the park. You think, wait, is this 2016? But no, it is 2026. Something very interesting is happening right now. Millions of people are going back in time. Not literally, of course, but emotionally and digitally. This is called the nostalgia trend. Nostalgia means a warm feeling about the past. It is the feeling you get when you hear an old song, or when you smell something from your childhood. Right now, nostalgia is everywhere online. People are reposting old Vine videos. They are using old Instagram filters. They are playing games from 10 years ago. Think about it. Why would someone in 2026 want to feel like it is 2016? What is missing in today's world? Here is a surprising fact. In 2024, Google searches for Vine compilation went up by 300%. 300%! That is a huge number for a dead app. Vine closed in 2016, but people miss it deeply. They miss its short, funny 6-second videos. They miss its simple, chaotic energy. And Vine is not alone. Snapchat filters, old memes, old fashion trends, all of them are coming back. We are living in a nostalgia wave, and it is bigger than you think. Let's look more closely at this trend. First, let's talk about Vine. Vine was a video app. It let you record only 6 seconds of video. That sounds too short, right? But those 6 seconds were magical. People were creative, funny, and wild. Vine gave us some of the internet's best moments. What are those? Road work ahead. It is Wednesday, my dudes. You probably know these phrases, even if you never used Vine yourself. That is how powerful that platform was. Vine died in 2016. Twitter, which owned Vine, shut it down. Millions of people were heartbroken. Seriously, people cried on the internet. Now, in 2026, Vine compilations get millions of views. New creators on TikTok and YouTube study old Vine videos. They try to copy that energy. They want to make content that feels like Vine. But why now? Why do people miss 2016 so much? Think about what 2016 felt like online. Social media was still new and exciting. There were no algorithms pushing scary news at you. There was no pressure to be perfect. People just posted silly things and laughed. Today, social media feels different. It is louder and more stressful. Everything feels urgent and serious. People argue constantly online. So nostalgia becomes an escape. Nostalgia is the feeling of going back to a safer time. And 2016 feels safer than 2026 for many people. Now, let's talk about Pokemon Go. In 2016, Pokemon Go was everywhere. People walked around parks and streets. They held up their phones. They tried to catch digital Pikachus. It sounds silly, right? But here is a surprising fact. In July 2016, Pokemon Go had more daily users than Twitter. More than Twitter. It brought strangers together. People talked to neighbors they never met before. People walked more, laughed more, went outside more. It was joyful and simple. Now, Pokemon Go still exists, but the magic of 2016 is gone. People remember that feeling. They want it back. And then there is fashion. Low-rise jeans came back. Chunky sneakers came back.
Side parts in hair came back. Even flip phones came back, sort of. Brands know this. Companies are using 2016 aesthetics in their ads. Aesthetic means the look and feel of something. They use grainy photos and old-school fonts. They want you to feel nostalgic. They want you to feel good. And when you feel good, you buy things. Music is the same. Artists release songs that sound like 2014 or 2016. That soft indie pop sound, that electronic beat with emotional lyrics. Listeners feel something familiar, and familiar feels safe. So here is the central question of today's video. Why do we keep going back? What does it tell us about who we are? Let's zoom out now. Let's look at the bigger picture. Nostalgia is not just about fun. Psychologists, people who study the human mind, have studied nostalgia carefully, and the results are fascinating. One study found that nostalgia makes people feel warmer, not just emotionally, but physically warmer. People in cold rooms felt warmer after thinking about happy memories. Isn't that incredible? Nostalgia also helps people feel less alone. When you remember a shared moment, a song, a meme, a game, you feel connected to other people. You feel part of a group. And that is very powerful right now, because many people feel lonely in 2026. Life is busy. Work is stressful. Real friendships are harder to maintain. So people turn to the past. They find comfort in memories. They use nostalgia like a warm blanket. Think about it this way. You are having a hard day. Then you hear a song from high school. Suddenly you smile. Suddenly the day feels a little better. That is nostalgia working. It is a tool your brain uses. It helps you cope with stress. It helps you feel okay. But there is another side to this. Sometimes nostalgia becomes a problem. You start believing the past was perfect. You forget the bad parts. You only remember the good moments. Psychologists call this rosy retrospection. Retrospection means looking back at the past. Rosy means seeing things in a positive, maybe too positive way. 2016 was not a perfect year. There were problems then too. But we forget that. We only remember the Vine videos and the Pokemon walks. And maybe that is okay sometimes. Maybe we need a little rosy retrospection. Maybe we need to feel that 2016 energy again. Not to live there forever, but just to breathe for a moment.
Because nostalgia is a very human thing. Every generation does this. Your parents felt nostalgia for the 1980s. Their parents felt it for the 1960s. And now, young people in 2026 feel it for 2016. This is not weakness. This is not immaturity. This is humanity. We are creatures who love memory. We carry the past with us.
And sometimes we just need to visit it again. So, what have we learned today? We learned that millions of people are feeling nostalgic for 2016. They miss Vine. They miss Pokemon Go. They miss simpler, more joyful social media. We learned that nostalgia is not just a feeling. It is a psychological tool. It keeps us warm, connected, and hopeful. We learned that brands and artists know this. They use nostalgia to reach us. They use it to make us feel something real, and it works. We also learned that the past can look rosier than it really was, and that is human. We all do it. We all choose to remember the best parts. But here is the most important thing. Nostalgia is not about living in the past. It is about using the past to feel better today. It is about saying, I felt joy before. I can feel it again. So the next time you hear a song from 2016, or you see someone playing Pokemon Go, or you laugh at an old Vine compilation, don't feel embarrassed. Feel that feeling. Let it wash over you. Let it remind you that life has good moments, and it will have more. The world in 2026 is loud and complicated, but your memories are yours, and they are always with you. As one old internet phrase goes, we are never getting back to 2016. But maybe that is okay. Maybe we can carry a little piece of it forward. Before you go, let's review the most important words from today's video. The first word is nostalgia. It means a warm, bittersweet feeling about the past. In our video, we said that nostalgia is like a warm blanket people use when life feels hard. The second word is aesthetic. It means the overall look, style, or feel of something visual. In our video, we said that brands use 2016 aesthetics, grainy photos, and old-school fonts to make you feel nostalgic. The third word is retrospection. It means the act of looking back at past events. In our video, we said that rosy retrospection means remembering the past as better than it really was. The fourth word is compilation. It means a collection of things brought together into one. In our video, we said that Vine compilations on YouTube get millions of views today. The fifth word is cope. It means to deal with something difficult in a healthy way. In our video, we said that people use nostalgia to cope with stress. The sixth word is algorithm. It means a set of rules a computer uses to decide what to show you. In our video, we said that 2016 social media did not have aggressive algorithms pushing scary content. The seventh word is psychologist. It means a scientist or expert who studies the human mind and behavior.
In our video, psychologists found that nostalgia makes people feel physically warmer. The 8th word is digital. It means existing on or related to computers and the internet. In our video, we said that people are going back in time emotionally and digitally. The 9th word is maintain. It means to keep something going or in good condition over time. In our video, we said that real friendships are harder to maintain in today's busy world. The 10th word is chaotic. It means wild, unpredictable, and full of confusion, sometimes in a fun way. In our video, we said that Vine had a simple, chaotic energy that people loved.
Now let's look at some phrases that real people use every day. The first phrase is going back in time. This means returning mentally or emotionally to an earlier period. In the video, we hear, millions of people are going back in time, not literally, but emotionally and digitally. Real-life tip. You can say this about memories, movies, or music. This song takes me back in time. The second phrase is wash over you. This means to let a feeling come strongly and completely. In the video, we hear, let it wash over you. Let it remind you that life has had good moments. When I heard the news, relief washed over me. The third phrase is zoom out. This means to look at the bigger picture instead of small details. In the video we hear, let's zoom out now. Let's look at the bigger picture. Real-life tip, great in meetings or discussions. Let's zoom out. What is the real goal here? The fourth phrase is brought strangers together. This means something caused people who did not know each other to connect. In the video we hear, it brought strangers together. People talk to neighbors they never met before. The fifth phrase is carry something forward. This means to take a feeling, idea, or value from the past into the future. In the video, we hear, maybe we can carry a little piece of it forward. Real-life tip, very useful in speeches or conclusions. Let's carry these lessons forward into next year. And that is all for today, dear listeners. You did something wonderful today. You learned about nostalgia, memory, and what it means to be human, all in English. Thank you so much for being here. If this video helped you, please subscribe. Our next video is coming very soon. And trust me, you will not want to miss it. Until then, take care of yourself. And remember, your memories are always with you.